So in this problem, we're told that the diameter of a circle is reduced by 40%, and they want to know by what percent will the area of the circle be reduced. So we can certainly select a number for the diameter. For example, we could say the diameter is 10. When we reduced it by 40%, so 40% of 10 would be 4, which means that the new diameter would be 6. So we can find the area for these two scenarios. So the area of a circle is pi d squared over 4, and so here d is 10, so this is 100 pi over 4, so that's 25 pi, and then we do the same thing for with 6, so this would be pi 6 squared over 4, and so that's 36 pi over 4, that's 9 pi. So we just need to find the percent reduction. So if you look at the difference between 25 pi and 9 pi, that's 16 pi. And we need to find that change as a percentage of the original. So because this is the original area. So we're looking at 16 pi over 25 pi times 100. Notice the pi terms cancel out, so I don't need to actually calculate the area by substituting the value for pi. And then 25 goes into 104 times 16 times 4 is 64. So the answer is 64%. So that's one way to do it using numbers. You can also do it in a general way. If d is the original diameter, so the area is pi d squared over 4. When we decrease d by 40%, that means that the new diameter would be d minus 0.4d, which is 0.6d, which means the area would be pi 0.6d squared over 4. Now 0.6 squared would be 0.36, so we'll get a multiple of 0.36 pi d squared over 4. And so we're starting with 1, and this is 0.36, so we'll notice that the change is 0.64, and that means that's equivalent to 64%. So you can approach it this way too. Perhaps the less students are comfortable with that, but that avoids having to pick values, and then you have to be lucky if you pick a number that all these numbers turn out to be nice, which they did in this case, but not always guaranteed. So in either case, the answer is 64%.